This video is about Trading 212's Invite a Friend program. Hello, I'm Peter Martin with Trading 212. Now you may be aware that Trading 212 is running a free share giveaway. What I'd like to talk to you about in this video is how both you and a friend can each receive a free share. And you do this by referring your friend to open a new invest account with Trading 212. Now one point I'd like to clarify first of all is that when we're talking about a free share, we are talking about a real share, an actual share that you are given. We're not in any way talking about CFDs. So how do you go about referring a friend to open an invest account? Well, it's really quite simple. You just need to provide a referral link to your friend. And you'll find that link by looking in your account in the app. So let's say that you're using the mobile app. Look for the final tab on the right of the app. And when you click on that, you should see an option for Get Free Shares. And if you select that option, you will be provided with a unique link for your account, which you can then share with your friend. If your friend follows that link and opens and activates and funds a new invest account with Trading 212, then you'll both be given a free share. So when do you actually get that free share? Well, you'll get it 3 business days after your friend has completed that process that we've just talked about, after following the link and opening and activating and funding a new invest account with Trading 212. And then you can sell the free share after a period of 3 settlement days has expired. So what share do you actually get given? Well, the free share is randomly selected up to a maximum value of either £100, 100 Swiss francs or 100 euros. And which of those it is determined by your account currency and where you are located. Another point I'd like to clarify is about whether there are any inactivity fees. And the simple answer is no. There are no inactivity fees on an invest account. And the final point that I'd like to discuss is whether you can lose any money. Well, the free share that's given to you is provided purely through Trading 212's own funds. So it is literally a free gift that is being put on your account. Now with an invest account, it isn't in any way leveraged. So when you're trading on that account, you cannot lose anything more than the funds that have been put on the account. And your own investments, of course, are separate to the free share. Consider the free share in isolation. There is no way to lose anything on that. The worst it could do is to go to zero, in which case you wouldn't make anything or lose anything. But if you sold that share for any value, then you would receive that value on your account.